Hi Beanbeauties, today's video is an excerpt from a live unboxing I did with the Mini Clementine. It was several months ago, but I thought that a little excerpt might be in handy if you are looking to put either the Mini Clementine or the regular Clementine in your arsenal of collection bags. It has a mini comparison between the two bags along with the unboxing. Hope you enjoy. This is the box. It's a tiny, tiny box that the Mini Clementine came in. So here is the regular Clementine, the horse, and it's like, hello, look at the box. So it's supposed to be comparable to the puzzle, the mini puzzle. Now, I almost bought a mini puzzle from It's Hadrian, but he and I discussed it, and because of my hands, or the sensitivity of my hands, and on the puzzle from Loewe, it has a zipper. And although the bag itself would probably be okay, that zipper isn't really wide. And so we were afraid that that it would hurt my hand too much. So this is what it looks like. So I ordered this Thursday or Friday, and it came today, Monday. And this is how it comes. So this one came straight from Horse website. I ordered it on the Horse website. It dropped on Tuesday, but I didn't get the funds to buy it until Thursday or Friday, I think, is when I got it. There's a dust bag, and you open it. Woo, and this is what it looks like. It comes. They have this cardboard that covers the front and the back. Oh, you got a sneak peek at the color. So there's 4 colors, and the charcoal is sold out. The tan is still available. The oat is still available. Tan, oat, and charcoal was only 3. I thought there was 4. So then after I remove that, then here is what it looks like. Peek, peek. And it comes in, the paper, it's like a tissue paper, but it's like a smooth tissue paper. And here it is. Oh, she is cute. She is adorable. Oh my goodness, y'all. She smells delicious. She smells like leather. Woo! Wow, I cannot get over the smell. It's gorgeous. So here she has, this is the leather tag, the sample leather, so you can feel the sample leather, I guess if it's in store, what have you. I guess that's what those are for. The handle is wrapped. And she does have silver hardware. I don't know in this lighting if you'll be able to tell the hardware. Oh my God, she's tiny. She does have the same magnet closure. So this is the tan color. So here's how she opens up. Let's see what she has in here. Let me get the stuffing out. It's got this stuffing. Here's the strap. Here's the other strap. Here's the belt. Now I know I'm gonna need, they wrap the edges very well. I know I'm gonna need an extender because I'm sure I needed the extender from the other one. But, gosh, how do I? Oh, it's hard to get these. I'm trying to get the strap off. Here it is. It's the Mini. It's the Mini. This is a color tan. And she is cute. So she's definitely a DD bag. The size of it is like perfect. Okay, I can't get this last part of it. Okay. She's very light. She smells, oh my goodness, she smells delicious. The dust bag, actually, the dust bag is a very nice dust bag. So here is the regular one. I thought they had 3 sizes. I was wrong. They only have 2 sizes, which is this size, which is the regular, which is, I guess, the Loewe medium. And then here's the mini. Here's the mini. So this is the front of it. And here it is to get, look at that. It's a big mama and a little baby. So that's where she looks like in size. Is she even? Yeah, there she goes. There you go. So you can see the size difference. I have my extenders on here, but I fed them through. See, I fed them through here. So, oh wait, maybe I can just take this part off. Oh no, it won't work. It won't work. I need the other end. So, oh man, I'm gonna have to buy extra unless I want to keep changing it. Yeah, so I gotta buy another set, because I don't like to, when it's hard like this, when it's this style, because it's the peg style, it's really hard for me to take on and off. So I buy an extenders to stay with the bag all the time. They have it on the third, wait, 1, 2, in the middle setting. So it's does a good shoulder bag for me. There's no way it'll fit as a crossbody. There's no way on that setting, and it's too hard for me to sit here and mess with it with y'all here. I'll have to do it on a regular video. But y'all want to see what fits? Do y'all want me to see what fits? This is what I was carrying this week, and this is, I call my Chicago bag. I bought it with the funds, part of the funds that I was saving to go to Chicago. That was this past weekend. I didn't get to go, but this is the bag I bought instead of going, in memory of them. Okay, so this is too big. So here is the Coach card case. We'll start with this. Here's another card case. Here is my earbuds. Put that in there. Here are my tissues. I'm going to put that in the back pocket. Here is my, this is my LV, it's a cigarette case, and I use it for my charger, my phone charger. So either the charger for my phone, or this whole contraption comes with me all the time. And those are like my must. So those 2 card cases, and that is a must. Okay, so that is like my bare essentials. And most of the time like this, I'll hang on the outside. I'll hang on the outside of my bag. So I even still have room probably for a little something else. But let's see how this looks, y'all. Okay, so that's how it looks, and you get a smile. The phone case, that LV is there, so it's got that little crooked, but I can probably lay it on its side. But I wanted to show y'all what it looks like. Can y'all see the inside? That's the problem, is that this doesn't move very well, but that's what it looks like on the inside. So here's my tissues in this pocket. Here is the 2 zippy Coach card cases. Here is the LV cigarette case. It's standing up. However, let's see if I move this around a little bit and lay this down. Because that's what I just do. You play Tetris when you have mini bags. That's what I do. You kind of play Tetris. What do you have to have? I might have to take that out so it doesn't stick up. Does that work better? No. Yeah, so I'll have to take it out of the case, which is fine because I do that a lot. So I'll take this out of the case, which this is the charging mechanism. And then here is the bank itself, the charging bank. And I have this one too because I need both of them if I want to charge, because my iPhone and my iPad both have different connections, because Apple does that to us. So I have to carry 2 of these, and I'll stick that in the pocket, and I'll stick the bank over here. Okay, so other than my cell phone, what I have to have is in here now, and that's what it looks like, and it has a smile. So I have my earbuds out here, in here, and then I'll also hang my hand sanitizer. I always hang my hand sanitizer on the outside. because I like to get it, access it easily. Let me see. Okay, there's that. Here's my hand sanitizer. I do have a different color hand sanitizer, so I definitely probably would change the color because I have several of them. So here, see, that's how it looks with these on here, like that. So there is my, if you were here for the Mini Clementine, there's the Mini Clementine, and here is the Clementine compared to, this is the mini and this is the other size, which for Loewe, this is the medium, I think is what they call it. And here it is, compare the bottom, the sizes. She smells delicious. I love her. I love her. Thank you, Beanbeautis. I hope you enjoy. I do love both of these bags. They are great bags. I do highly recommend. Not sponsored. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Help me get to 2K this year. Thank you. Bye-bye.